So in this video that I'm doing, I'm replacing the fan clutch from the fan blades, and the fan clutch has three screws with L wrench, and the L wrench size that I'm using, it's a 3/16. So once you loosen the three screws from the fan blades, you should be able to take it apart. So this is the original fan clutch, and then I'm putting on aftermarket fan clutch. So what we want to do is clean up the blades a little. This fan. Get all that dirt out of there. You could just rinse it off with a water hose, but I don't want it with dirty. Let's do it on both sides. That's good. So what you want to do is get your three measure it up. Just line up the three screws and then just put one nut in there. But you can always rinse this down with water after you're done if you want. Get all that dust and dirt. So pretty much this is how you replace the fan clutch from the fan blades housing. So all you do, just tighten them back up, and then you're good to go. So some of them have 4 bolts, I guess. On mine, it only has 3. So I guess it depends on your model. So this one has 3. And the aftermarket ones are a little bit smaller, or same size, but the difference is that back here has opening, and the original it's closed right here. So that's how you replace a fan clutch from the fan housing.